YouTubers, today I'm going to interview my Angry Bird that I got yesterday from my aunt. So first of all, we're going to ask him, does he like? First of all, we're going to ask him, does he like the pig? No. Why don't you like the pig? Okay. Who is your favorite Angry Bird? The one we have. Who's your best friend? Me. Okay. You are very sure. Don't tell me to stop, Mr. Angry Bird. Okay, Mr. Angry Bird is walking away from me. Ah! Ah! What? Ah!